Hey, what's going on everyone? About 6 months ago, I started work on a little modern storage shed action. It's about 9 by 10, and because it's in my front yard, I needed it to match the house. Framing plans were purchased from iCreatables. Nothing groundbreaking in them, but it was nice to have someone else calculate things like door and window header sizes. Would have liked to have gone bigger, but was constrained by property line setbacks. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with how it came out, so here it is, start to finish.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you, drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling higher and higher. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. It's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling higher and higher. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling higher and higher. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Fast track, 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 fast track. Just make me move right, don't stop for nothing. Till you're in my groove right, don't stop for nothing. Till you're in my groove right, don't stop for nothing. Till you're in my groove right, don't stop for move, 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 move. You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put a song that we
both know that your hair out in the wind. Put the pedal to the floor, flame your light, take a smoke. Put your broken rib off, wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out.
Done. I'm pretty happy with it. If I were to do it again, I'd likely only change the roof. Instead of using standard 7/16 OSB, I would have gone 5/8 ply. It would look nicer painted under the front eaves, would hold nails better, and might last longer if it ever leaks. I'd also go corrugated metal instead of shingles. I was trying to match the house as much as possible, and as a result, went with the manufacturer's low slope install instructions. Doing a little research afterwards has led me to the conclusion that although supported, it's not really recommended. And that will about do it for today. If you thought this video was at least okay, a like, sub, or especially a share is greatly appreciated. Okay, take care.